Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights on your Honda Pilot. Alright guys, this is probably what your headlight looks like. Kind of faded looking, you can't really see through it too well. And you want to make them look like this. So it's a quick process, let me show you what to do. Alright guys, get yourself some of this polish. I had this laying around the garage, so I'm going to use this. If you have some compound, you could use that. So this you could apply with a rag or even a paper towel. So let's do this. Alright guys, this process is good if your headlights are not really oxidized. If they're really oxidized, you want to wet sand them first, but this is going to be good enough. Just apply this. Try not to get it on the paint. You just want to get it on the headlight, okay? Next you want to clean the surface. So I'm just going to use some glass cleaner. Alright, next we're going to use some of this headlight coating. I had this laying around, but if you have some clear coat, you could use that too. So before we do that, we need to tape all around this and mask it off so you don't get it all over the paint. Alright guys, before you spray, rub it down with some rubbing alcohol. Just to get rid of the rest of the contaminant. Alright guys, make sure you shake the can well. And we're going to spray a medium coat, okay? So make sure you go straight across and overlap your coats, okay? Alright, we're going to let that dry for 5 minutes or so. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. We're ready for our second coat. Alright, now you can start peeling off all the paper. Alright guys, that's what she looks like all done. Big difference. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.